Gentlemen, you don't have to be ashamed.
Oh, we just find Jimmy's mom. Yeah!
That one guy talking like Carl Wheezer is going to absolutely kill me. Also, I love how I'm back on this level. Like, for the love of God.
He's probably fighting someone else. He's probably having a war with Gojo. There he is! We found the boys. I got you, man. I got
Thanks,
you.
man.
I got bandages. Stop jumping on him.
Shout out to Carl Wheezer for actually pulling through and helping me on this one. I needed it. This little knucklehead is preventing me from getting healed. Big thank you if anyone can hear me who did that. Huge thank you.
Yeah, whoever did that, good job. Good on you.
I have
being
Jimmy
honest.
Neutron's inventions on my side.